Hello and welcome to Design Smarter, dual approach to learning management system development using Canva. I'm Ryan Ardihapa, and in this short course, you will learn how to transform Canva into a fully functional learning space for your students. This training is designed for teachers, instructional designers, and education students who want to deliver engaging, visual, and interactive learning experiences using Canva. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop an LMS using manual design tools in Canva, develop an LMS using Canva AI features, and publish a functional LMS that students can access anytime. All you need is a Canva account, an internet connection, and a creative mindset. Now that you know what this course offers, let's move to the foundation of your learning space. In the next episode, you will discover how Canva can function as an LMS and why it works for interactive teaching.